Store cleaning tools so they do not carry germs from one office area to another. When transporting brushes, mops, and rags through an office building, start by using sealed, washable tote bags or hard plastic bins with lids to isolate contaminated items. Disinfect handles and non-porous tool parts before placing them into storage using an appropriate disinfectant and the contact time on the label. For porous items like cloths, launder them in hot water with detergent and a disinfectant additive, or use single-use options. Implement a color-coded system where each color is tied to a specific area, such as restrooms, kitchens, and general office spaces, and train staff to only carry the color assigned for the area they are servicing. Keep a small spray bottle of ready-to-use disinfectant on the cart and wipe tool handles and touch points after every room to limit transfer from surfaces to tools. For multi-day jobs, transport soiled items in a separate sealed compartment away from clean supplies and empty trash as you go to avoid bag rupture or cross-contamination. Check and replace protective bags, bins, and cart liners regularly and document the cleaning and transport protocol in a simple checklist staff complete at shift change. Common mistakes include tossing soiled rags loosely into carts, which allows cross-contamination, so always bag or bin dirty cloths and separate them from clean supplies. People forget to disinfect handles, which then transfer microbes, so make wiping handles part of the room exit routine. Teams sometimes reuse color codes inconsistently across shifts, which defeats the system, so post a visible color code chart on carts and require a quick handoff briefing at shift change to confirm colors and zones. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work related to cleaning and maintenance projects. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips and ask questions about topics like transport and sanitation of cleaning tools.